Good morning student. Today we discuss about the third cell component, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, third component in eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. The cell contains ground substance. Cell contains ground substance. Cell contains ground substance called cytoplasmic matrix. Cytoplasmic matrix or cytosol. The cell contains ground substance called cytoplasmic matrix or cytosol. Colloidal jelly-like material shows. Colloidal jelly-like material shows streaming movement. Streaming movement called as cyclosis. Colloidal jelly-like material shows a streaming movement called cyclosis. Cytoplasm contains major component water, organic, inorganic, major component water, organic and inorganic molecules like sugars, amino acids, vitamins, enzymes. Sugars, amino acids, vitamins, enzymes, nucleotides, minerals, waste material, etc. or which is the waste product, waste material or waste product. Cytoplasm contains water as a major component as well as organic and inorganic molecules like sugars, amino acid, vitamins, enzymes, nucleotides, minerals, and waste product. Cytoplasm contains various cell organelles. Cytoplasm contains various cell organelles. Various cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, then Golgi complex, then next cell organelles is the mitochondria, plastids, nucleus, microbodies, the various cell organelles. Cytoplasm or cytosol contains various cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, plastids, nucleus, microbodies, cytoskeletal elements, like microtubules, cytoskeletal elements like microtubules. These cell organelles present in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell. Then function of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm act as a raw material. Cytoplasm act as a raw material as well as a seed for various metabolic activities. Metabolic activities. Then second function is the distribution and exchange of material between which help in distribution and exchange of material between various cell organelles. Functions of cytoplasm. First is it acts as a raw material, seed for various metabolic activities. Then second function, it helps in distribution and exchange of materials between various cell organelles. Then next point is the endomembrane system of cell. Endomembrane system of cell. Endomembrane system of cell. Cell organelles are compartment. Cell organelles are compartments. Cell organelles are compartments in the cell that carry a specific type of function. That carry specific type of functions. Then some of these organelles coordinate. Some of these organelles coordinate with each other and complete the specific functions. Some of these are coordinate with each other and complete a specific function of the cell. Nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, the cell organelles like nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, various types of vesicles and vacuoles. Various type of vesicles and vacuoles. From a such group, nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, various type of vesicles and vacuoles, such a group are together. Such a group are together. Such a group are together considered as a endomembrane system of cell. Considered as endomembrane system of cell. Then mitochondria and chloroplast. Mitochondria and chloroplast. mitochondria and chloroplast. Mitochondria and chloroplast carry a specific function, carry a specific type of function, that energy conversion in cell. Specific type of functions, that conversion, energy conversion. Energy conversion of cell. This is about the endomembrane system. First, we see the third component of eukaryotic cell, that is the cytoplasm. Next, we discuss about the next cell organelle, endoplasmic reticulum. Little network which is along with the cytosol or cytoplasm. Little network along with cytosol or cytoplasm, which is protruding or bulging of nuclear membrane, bulging or protruding of nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum. Little network along with cytosol in eukaryotic cell. Absent in prokaryotic cell. Absent in prokaryotic cell. Absent in endoplasmic reticulum is absent in prokaryotic cell, and endoplasmic reticulum which is present in eukaryotic cell, but exception cells are ova or egg, and second mature red blood corpuscles, these are the exception cells. In mature red blood corpuscles, the membrane bound structure is loosely arranged. Then under the electron microscope, it appears, endoplasmic reticulum appears like a network of membranous tubules, like a membranous tubules, like a membranous tubules, and sacs called cisternae, and sacs called cisternae. Under the electron microscope, the endoplasmic reticulum appears like network of membranous tubules and sacs called cisternae. Membranous endoplasmic reticulum is continuous with the nuclear envelope. Which is continuous with the nuclear envelope. At one end and extend till cell membrane, and extend till cell membrane, or plasma membrane. Nuclear membrane. Which continuous with nuclear envelope up to one end and extend till cell membrane or plasma membrane. Then it acts as a intracellular supporting network or frame. Intra-supporting which act as a intracellular supporting framework. Then it helps in the maintaining position of various cell organelles. Maintaining position of various cell organelles in the cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum divides the intracellular space. Divide intracellular space into two distinct compartments. that is luminar or laminar. First compartment is the luminar. Luminar or laminar. First compartment is the luminal or laminar, and second compartment is the extra luminal or laminar. Extra luminal or extra laminal compartment. Luminal inside the endoplasmic reticulum and extra, which is the outside the ER. Then next is the which is also known as the cytoplasmic compartment, which is also called as the cytoplasmic compartment. Endoplasmic reticulum divide intracellular space into two distinct compartments. First is the luminal or laminal compartment inside the endoplasmic reticulum. Second is the extralaminar, which is present cytoplasmic matrix or substance. Then next is the elements of endoplasmic reticulum. Elements of endoplasmic reticulum. Three different elements. Three different elements. Three different elements of endoplasmic reticulum. First is the cisternae. Second is the vesicles. And third is the tubules. These are three different elements of endoplasmic reticulum. First is the cisternae, second vesicles, third tubules. Cisternae are formed by bulging of nuclear membrane or bubbling of nuclear membrane. Small unbranched cisternae is a small unbranched narrow tubular structure. Narrow tubular structure. Narrow tubular structure. They are interconnected. Ribosomes are attached by proteins. Ribosomes are attached by proteins. 40 to 50 μm narrow lumen. 40 to 50 μm narrow lumen. Closer to, which is closer to nuclear membrane, which is closer to nuclear membrane. Then second is the vesicle. Second element is the vesicle. Spherical structure. Spherical structure. Closer to cisternae. Vesicles, which is spherical structure, which is closer to cisternae. Ribosomes present on vesicles. Ribosomes present on vesicles. Diameter is 50 to 500 μm. 50 to 500 μm. Then third is the tubules. Third is the tubules. Tubules are branched structure. Tubules are branched structure with lumen. Tubules are branched structure with lumen. Ribosomes are absent. Ribosomes are absent on tubules. Ribosomes are absent on tubules, which is also closer to the plasma membrane. Tubules are closer to the plasma membrane. Lumen is wider. The lumen is wider. Lumen is 50 to 100 μm. The lumen is wider than the cisternae. Lumen is wider than the cisternae. This is about the elements of endoplasmic reticulum. Then sarcoplasmic reticulum, endoplasmic reticulum in muscle. Endoplasmic reticulum in muscle is known as sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum in muscles is known as the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Then endoplasmic reticulum are of two types. Endoplasmic reticulum are of two types. the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. And second is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. According to presence or absence of ribosomes. According to presence or absence of ribosomes on endoplasmic reticulum, there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. In this endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, and in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are absent. First, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which involved in various processes in different cells. Various processes in different cells depending upon the types of cell. Depending upon the types of cell, it helps in the synthesis of lipids. It helps in synthesis of lipids. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in synthesis of lipids. Example, steroid secreting cells. Steroid secreting cells of cortical region. Example, steroid secreting cells of cortical region of adrenal gland. Of adrenal gland, then testes and ovaries. Testes and ovaries. Detoxification of drugs and poisons. Detoxification. Drugs and poison. Detoxification of drugs and poisons. Example, liver cell detoxification takes place. Storage of calcium ions. Storage of calcium ions. Example, muscle cells. Example, muscle cells. This is about the functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then next type is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is primarily involved in protein synthesis. Primarily involved in protein synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is primarily involved in protein synthesis. Example, pancreatic cells. Example, pancreatic cells secretes insulin. Pancreatic cells secretes insulin. These proteins are secreted by ribosomes. These proteins are secreted by ribosomes. These proteins are secreted by ribosomes, which are attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Hence, the proteins are called as secretory proteins. Hence, the proteins are called as secretory proteins. Then, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next function, rough endoplasmic reticulum also involved in formation of membrane of cells. Formation of membrane of cells. The first, rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is primarily involved in protein synthesis. Example, pancreatic cells secrete insulin. Then proteins are secreted by ribosomes. Next is the protein are secreted by ribosomes attached to rough endoplasmic reticulum are called secretory proteins. And then next is the rough endoplasmic reticulum are also involved in formation of membrane for cells. This is about the endoplasmic reticulum. Thank you.